Welcome to our tutorial on how to check contaminated smoke detectors in Omega Shield fire alarm system. So that contaminated smoke detectors can be cleaned during the planned preventive maintenance of the Omega Shield fire alarm system. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe channel and press bell icon so that you get notification of my new videos. To check contaminated smoke detectors, press button 2 and go to level 2. Put access code 22222 and press enter. Then press button 2 and entered in level 2. Go to sensor contaminated early maintenance by scrolling down. Then go to loop in which you want to check contaminated smoke detectors. All contaminated smoke detectors are shown on display by scrolling up and down. In same you can check contaminated smoke detectors on all loops. If you want more videos on fire alarm system, please like, share and support this channel. You can ask me any questions related fire alarm system. Thanks for watching technical vlogs.